Your bite. Hey everyone, so today we have Ethiopian food. It's actually my first time trying Ethiopian food. Ooh, do you guys see that? Ooh, I'm pretty excited. It comes with injera. It's some sort of bread, and then I ordered the meat combination, which is lamb, chicken, and beef. So, and also I got this egg roll here. Ooh, let's just try this. They say you're supposed to use your hand to eat, so let's just try. This is called injera. It's a little sour. I know you're supposed to use your finger and eat it. It's a little, the injera is soft texture. Your bite. So the chicken flavor is a little spicy too, so this is a little spicy. The chicken's a little too dry, I feel like. Let's try the lamb. No, actually this is lamb. This is chicken, sorry. This is your bite. Let's try the egg roll. This is the egg roll. Your bite. It's beef egg roll. Oh, that one's spicy. Chicken. The beef and lamb is too like, oh no, I like chicken better actually. It's too dry. On the side, they gave me some salad, which I eat right now. So these have little holes. The injera has a little holes like this. Kind of scary, right? It's like trypophobia. People that are scared of trypophobia would be kind of scared of this. I asked for a little bit more spice. Probably get a napkin. It was. I have to give you a lot. Well, I gotta save the rest for my family. Bye bye.